Russian war on Ukraine isn't going as planned, and after the failure of the initial plan to seize Kiev and Kharkiv and massive loss of men and weapons, the Russian President Vladimir Putin has fired over 100 FSB secret agents over his embarrassment, and reports indicate that his inner circle is maneuvering to install a successor in light of the ongoing disastrous, dismal conflict. As for the Russian troops, many of them weren't even aware of formal directions or why they were sent to impose Putin's will upon the Ukraine people. It's a move that has left the Russian people in economic tatters due to near global sanctions, and the Ukrainian Secret Service has released a phone call, reportedly between a Russian soldier and his wife. The audio was published on YouTube, and here's how the soldier narrated the near debacle on the battlefield when the battery declined to follow an order from General Valery Zolochik. Almost all of our battery refused. The general started waving his gun and shooting. He said, "I'll whack you if you don't fucking go there," the man says in the recording. Then, a kid says to him, "Go ahead, whack." Fuck, he pulled out a grenade, pulled a pin and says, "Come on, shoot me. We'll blow up together." That's it. The special forces guys also started pointing their guns at us. So, we pointed our guns at them. In short, we almost shot each other, for fuck's sake. He got on his jeep and left, the voice said. The frustrated soldier then added, "Our brigade can't capture anything because there's fucking nothing left of it." It's certainly a sobering reminder of how Putin's ego pushed him to launch a war that his army wasn't prepared for, nor do some of them appear to be on board at this point. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Rescues every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.